Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Nate Triple OG. They say wave don't die, but I beg to differ.
How, Sway?
Let's get into it. So we just got these in from StockX, right? And I guess that's what I want to talk about. Oh, wait a minute. This mask, I can't do it. Let's get this together.
Boy, if you don't...
Now that's better. Anyway, so look, we got the wave runners in, but I got them from StockX, and that's what I want to talk about. I want to talk about my experience from StockX this time around. Now, I've ordered like plenty of things from StockX. I've ordered wave runners. Well, no, I never ordered wave runners, but I ordered 750s, a whole bunch of things. And I've sold through StockX also, but you know, they have a new location, I guess, and it's not only in Detroit. Now, these were shipped to me from Arizona. And like the process was a lot longer. Now, I ordered this shoe when the wave runners came out. I wasn't lucky enough to get them off Yeezy Supply or Adidas.com when they released. So I decided to get them off of StockX because the stock had dropped. Now I picked them up at, I believe, like $500. That's around the price I picked them up. I didn't have to pay anything extra this time because I think I was on my 5th purchase. So I got them for a cheaper price. Now my whole gripe is that the shoe came like, I want to say damn near like 2 or 3 weeks later. Now when you purchase things off StockX, usually the seller has to ship within 2 days, and obviously depending on where they're shipping from, it should get to, I guess, StockX. Before it was in Detroit. Seeing as though I stay in Chicago, anything they got in Detroit, once they shipped it out, I received it like the next day, you know, if not 2 days. So it's like the time when you purchase things, usually I bought these on a Monday, so I'm thinking like Tuesday, Wednesday they have to be shipped out. Thursday, Friday they get the StockX. Monday they review them, and then I get my shoes on Tuesday. But that wasn't the case for this shoe. You know, it took, I want to say it took like 2 weeks for me to get my shoe, which I believe is like totally unacceptable, you know. And then it was like a whole bunch of crap going on with the tracking, you know what I mean? So I'm just curious, have you guys ever experienced that from StockX before? And has anybody received things from their location that's in Arizona? Now I just think it's kind of weird, you know, that they're also in Arizona. And has the quality control gone down with them being in Arizona, seeing as though they don't communicate with you? You have to reach out to StockX to get answers about anything. But that's neither here nor there. Let's go ahead and get into the shoe. So let's get into it. This is just gonna be a quick and simple review. I'm sure you guys have seen plenty of reviews of the wave runners, and I'm just gonna go over a few things. Now, this is like the dash shoe at its best. You know, this like pretty much started a whole new wave. You know what I mean? As far as like people actually like messing with the dash shoe. Like I said, anything that Kanye West does is pretty much legendary. And we all know that the first silhouette that Kanye puts out of any shoe is usually the one that goes for like mad bucks. Now, one of my questions are, you know, since these released again, we thought these wasn't gonna release again. We knew that this shoe was at one point the most limited Yeezy to come out, right? So these re-release something like the zebras, and we know that the zebras, the stock went down. Now this shoe, it retailed at $300, obviously, right? At $300, and you know the stock prices went down. Now I had a pair that I did get off of Yeezy Supply where I had to wait for like 3 months. That pair I ended up selling for $900. You know, I couldn't pass that up. You know, knowing that the shoe was gonna re-release again. So I had to jump all on that. I think that was a smart move on my part. What I don't think was a smart move was that I paid $500 for this pair that I have right here. Knowing that the prices has went down some more, the stock has went all the way down, and now the shoes are like pretty much selling for like, I can get a pair for like $400. You can actually get a pair for like 3 something. But my question is, will the prices rise again? That is something that I'm really curious about. Now, we know about the shoe, right? We love that they have these 3M, the orange, this 3M. Got the 3M stripes in the inside. You can't really see that right now. We got that hit of 3M here, and also in here again. So it looks like you don't see any Adidas branding. In the inside of the shoe, I believe it's on this side, you have that Yeezy branding in the inside of the shoe. You can't really see that. I guess I could get it a little closer. You can't really see that. It's kind of dark in here. Shoe made in China and everything. But how about the quality of the shoe? Like the foam is really like, it's kind of solid. You know what I mean? But I don't think it's like that great of a quality. You have that boost in the inside, and you would think that since it's boosting the inside like that, that you're walking on complete like all boost. But when you take out the insole, right? Hold on, let me get that insole out of here. You get that like that one little spot of boost, right? You can feel that, and the rest of the shoe is like it has like this hard covering. I kind of wish that you was walking like all on the boost, like that you was walking like all boost in there, you know, so you can feel how comfortable the shoe is. Now I haven't worn the shoe outside. Like obviously the first pair that I got, I didn't get to wear that one because I sold it immediately. Well, I didn't sell it immediately. I sat on it until that price went up to $900, and then I let that thing go. You know what I mean? So tell me what you guys think. So I really want to know what you guys think about the Wave Runner. Do you think that it would ever command that type of value that it was commanding at one time? Like I said, it was commanding about like $900 on like the StockX market, or the aftermarket, we'll say, because obviously we have GOAT and eBay, where you can also sell shoes and things like that. But do you think like the Yeezy craze is starting to go down? You know what I mean? I know we all said that we wanted Yeezys, and we all know that Kanye said that everyone pretty much would have Yeezys, and that's what it seems like, you know. I never thought that I would ever get a pair of Yeezys for retail, but I was able to get several. Obviously, I have Calabasas, I have these. I even had V2s, you know, getting those, you know, the zebras, the blue tints, the Beluga 2.0s, and I know a lot of people was able to get the regular Belugas for retail, you know, red stripes also. So that's the thing, you know, Yeezy, I believe that he kept his promise. Everybody would be able to get Yeezys. Obviously, it's those certain pairs that people are not able to get. Like, I remember when the 750s came out, you know, it was like crazy hype around those. Nobody really got those. You had to pay resale to get a pair of those. But then the low tops, obviously with the V2s, everybody was able to get a pair of those, you know, with that silhouette. And so I'm wondering, like, with the next silhouette, obviously we have the Desert Rats, and I know they have a pair in black, and then we have the peanut butter V2s that's coming out, you know, and it just seems to me that the hype is not there right now. I'm really curious to know what you guys think. You know, like I said, is the hype going down? Is the stock prices going down? Is the market going down for Yeezys? Is Kanye not what he once was? You know, are we not riding on this wave anymore? Pun intended. You know what I mean? So let me know what you guys think in the comment box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please. All feedback is great feedback. Don't be afraid to tell me whatever you feeling, however you feeling. I just need to know so I can get better. Once again, I don't do this to make money. I do this because I like to make videos. And I'll holler at you guys later. Oh, one more thing. Don't forget to comment on this video and just comment Supreme. Comment Supreme. We're almost at 100 subscribers. Once we get to 100 subscribers, I will be giving this away. And then after that one, if that's successful, the next giveaway, hey, I'll give away a Supreme water bottle. This is it. I know you're probably thinking it's not because I got the wrapper on there. But that's the Supreme water bottle. I got a lot of Supreme stuff. Like I said, I've been getting into the accessories. I think those are really cool. Hopefully if I get the baseball mask, you know, that'd be like, that's like my my grill of Supreme accessories for this season. So like I said, like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget, comment on this video. Make sure you comment Supreme. I'm gonna do a randomizer. We'll be giving this away. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Peace.